Ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey McAvoy here. It's good of you to be back. I'm currently at the Aston Martin Brussels dealership and I'm here with the Aston Martin V8 Vantage, which is currently being serviced here in the back. This is a very busy place. They also service new and older versions of the Aston Martin, so it's quite a fantastic place to be. Now, as you would expect, this place is crawling with Aston Martins from, the previous older classic generations and the newer ones. So this is really a privilege for me to be able to show this to you. So I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll catch you later.
Some damage on the front splitter.
Yes.
Did it touch something?
I suppose it's a very low car.
And the oil is coming between the front cover and the engine block. But it's not a lot, I think.
External lubrication.
Yeah. It was all clean.
Brand new.
Okay.
We've been having done sandblasted and powder coat. This is very durable, and we'll put in some new tires as well.
Okay. This is 18. Brake pads at 50%. Maybe
Okay.
a little. Maybe 60. Shock absorbers are good.
Yes.
Visually good.
Yes, it's a well-maintained car. So we've got the stamp in the booklet.
Yes.
Very nice. Very good. Fantastic. Oh, it's bigger than the older ones.
Yeah, it's another one.
Nice. Good. So here's the fun part of your job then.
Yeah.
My favorite as well, test driving. I've been driving this car a lot, I absolutely love it. Wish it was mine. I'd take care of it as if I owned it. So, what will you be looking for during the test drive like this?
Just feeling everything feels like it should feel. Hearing, everything is fine. How it shifts and how the clutches and things like that.
Suspension test.
Yeah, here.
Belgian roads, very good, that's done.
It's driving like it should drive.
Yeah.
Some vibration in the interior.
Yeah, there always is, isn't there?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not a new one.
No, no, no. But still, it's been well cared for. I know that it has had 2 owners so far.
Air conditioning still working. I hear the bell.
Mm-hmm.
It's still working.
Ah, the police.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Never ever had problems with them.
Good. This car does invite to...
Yeah, to accelerate.
Yeah, it does that, doesn't it? So it feels good to you?
Yeah. Yeah, geometry, everything.
Yeah.
Feels good. Yeah, bypass walls are working.
Yep.
In the exhaust. No vibration. Good.
Good, eh?
Yeah, the handbrake pads are touching, but
Slightly,
yeah.
I thought
you
that.
feel it.
Yeah, I thought I'd felt some sort of a drag. Very light.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Very much. Well, you tried.
Yeah, normally it is the solution. It will be less than
Yeah.
before, but
Listen.
yeah, that was a trap, I think. No? Oh no. Okay.
Yeah, those are what I was talking
Quite
about.
hard. If you want, we can have a look, but I don't think I can do not much today.
No, of
for
course.
that one.
Leave it as it is. It's quite all right.
Yeah, it's a good car.
It is, isn't it? I'm glad you think so.
Yeah. Well maintained by the same dealer.
Absolutely.
Just a joke.
Somebody just cut you off. Did you see that?
Yeah, I've seen
What the hell, man? Suspension test again.
Yeah.
That's where you really feel that it's a rigid chassis, isn't it? Very, very solid.
Yeah, it is. Duk duk.
Yep.
Without,
Absolutely. If it were my car, I would definitely put it on a track. Maybe not every weekend, but it's definitely worth driving it on smooth roads and without having speed traps everywhere. Fantastic.
Leave the car outside? Or...
No, I can leave it out if you're done. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah? Okay, well.
It's fine for you.
Yeah, it's all good for me, man. Thank you so much.
I can wash the car and...
Yeah, I'll take care of that. Don't worry.
Perfect, thanks.
All good. Well, thank you for your work.
Please.
Amazing.
You're welcome.
It was a cool experience.
Yeah.
Thanks.